Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common question that many gardeners have. What is eating my plants? Specifically, we'll discuss how to identify common garden pests using leaf signatures and how to control them using environmentally friendly methods. First, let's understand what leaf signatures are. Leaf signatures are unique patterns and shapes that appear on the leaves of plants, which can help us identify various pests and diseases. These patterns are usually consistent and distinctive, allowing us to quickly recognize the problem and take appropriate action. Now, let's dive into some common pests and their leaf signatures. 1. Aphids. These tiny insects often have a green or brown patch on the leaf tip. They cause yellowing and stunting of the plant leaves. 2. Spider mites. You may notice small, white or barely visible spots on the leaves, which can eventually merge to form lines or small patches. Spider mites cause wilting and reduced growth in plants. 3. Tip moths. These caterpillars can cause damage by gnawing off the tips of leaves, leaving a small hole. They usually have a green band on their sides, giving them a moth look. 4. Whiteflies. These winged insects are responsible for yellowing leaves and stunted growth. They often thrive in warm, humid conditions. To control these pests, try using natural methods such as companion planting, organic insecticides, or introducing beneficial insects into your garden. Companion planting involves planting different crops that attract beneficial insects and deter pests. Organic insecticides, such as neem oil or insecticidal soap, can also be used to manage pests. Remember, it's always better to prevent pests from entering your garden, in the first place by maintaining proper garden hygiene and plant health. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests and diseases, and take timely action to address any issues. In conclusion, understanding leaf signatures can help you identify common garden pests and address them effectively using eco-friendly methods. Happy gardening!